This is Bronco Beat Space News from Coppell, Texas, in the middle school east hallways.
By Sonish Jain
and Pavin Susarla.
Rockets are used to get into space. Rockets move forward when gases shoot out the back of the rocket and push it into the opposite direction. Forces of the rocket engine use hot gas are in directions action that produces an opposite force reaction, propels the rocket forward. Early rockets were built by the Chinese used gunpowder as fuel. For rockets to travel in space, a different fuel needed to burn slowly and continuously. In 1903, Russian scientist Kontisa Tsuaki came up with the idea of multi-stage rockets. Germany has just figured out how to do a multi-stage rocket.
We had that 20 years ago.
Each stage section has rocket uses fuel. Empty fuel containers drop off. The next stage ignites and continues powering the rocket upwards.
This is a futuristic space shuttle. Space shuttles are rockets that are reusable, and they were developed in the late 1970s. The first shuttle was launched in 1981. The NASA has these space shuttles: Discovery, Atlantis, Endeavour, Challenger, and Columbia. The space shuttle is designed to leave Earth as a vertically launched rocket weighing up to 2 million kilograms or 4.5 million pounds. Now we're doing satellites. A satellite is any natural or artificial object that revolves around an object in space. Since 1957, thousands of satellites, including space stations, have been launched into orbit. Some satellites are in geosynchronous orbits, which means they revolve around the Earth at the same rate that the Earth rotates. They're usually to relay television signal and to map weather patterns. Now we will talk about space stations. Space stations require regular visits by spacecraft from Earth to deliver supplies. Some supplies are needed to help the space station complete the mission and may include new experiments, satellites, or fuel for rockets. Other supplies, such as replacements for worn out or broken parts, enable the stations to continue operating.
We'll talk about equipment needed in space. Astronauts need special equipment such as space suits and computers to work in space. Once in space, computer monitors conduct on the shuttle, including pressure, air temperature, and oxygen in the air. This information is sent to computers on Earth, linking shuttles to NASA.